Hey guys, how you doing? It's Eccentric Dave back again, bringing you one of the finest content online at the moment. If you like what you're seeing so far, please subscribe, smash that button, hit that notification button, hit that notification bell. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Today, we'll be making something special. Don't forget that we're doing the episode and series of budget cooking, and I've not forgot you guys that want to really go down to that real budget bit. So today we'll be working with a simple thing called noodles. And you'll be like, what? Noodles for cooking? Yeah. Today we'll be making noodles. The noodles we're making today is something with a little bit of twist. That some people, I call it noodle soup. Some people call it ramen noodles. Today we'll be making a special dish, keeping the ramen noodles very simple, using your everyday ingredients at home, keeping it nice and fluffy, easy for this cold weather that we got. You just come into your house, 5-10 minutes in the kitchen, and you got yourself a beautiful soup. And I'll show you every step of the way. Let's go. And here is the beautiful ramen noodles. As you can see, it looks beautiful. You can see the egg nicely poached, like it's running on the side. By the way, you don't have to have it running. I like my running. You can have this well cooked. But to get in this texture, just boil it for 6 minutes from the boil the eggs, and you get in this texture. On top of the noodles, apart from what I cook, just to dab it, bring everything to life, I sprinkled a little bit of chili flakes on top. Dab it with a bit of green onions, or should I say spring onions like some of you know it. Went in my fridge, found a bit of chicken, sliced it on top, and here you go, looking beautiful. Here is a beautiful dish of ramen noodles. Just one second, let me give it a go so you guys can know how beautiful, how tasty it is. You just want to get a bit of this egg. You can see me. Get a bit of this egg. Get a bit of the noodles and the egg, and just gotta go now, I gotta go. I need a private time for this. But before I go, subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, follow me for the next video. Just keep following me. If you want to get more dishes and more description on how I made this dish, watch the description, it gives you more details. Just subscribe, smash that button. Thank you guys. I just gotta go. I can't help it.